In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Sheets view in Jira using JXL, an app developed by AppFire. Sheets are essentially spreadsheet-like views of your Jira issues, offering powerful options for editing, filtering, and layout. Let's dive in and see exactly how you can set this up and make the most out of it. First things first, you'll need to ensure that JXL is installed or enabled in your Jira instance. If you're seeing JXL for the first time, or if it's not already installed, it's important to reach out to your Jira administrator. They can easily add it to your instance from the Atlassian marketplace. This step is crucial, as without JXL, you won't be able to access these advanced spreadsheet features. Once you've confirmed that JXL is installed, the next step is to ensure you have the proper permissions to use it effectively. There are two key permissions needed here: the ability to view sheets, and if you're planning on modifying them, the permission to edit sheets. Having the right permissions will give you the freedom to fully utilize sheets, so make sure to check these with your administrator if you're running into trouble. With JXL set up and permissions sorted, navigate over to your Jira project. In the left sidebar, often referred to as Project Navigation, look for an option labeled Sheets. Go ahead and click on it. If, however, you cannot see the Sheets option, this might indicate a permission issue or possibly that JXL was not correctly set up. Double-check your permissions and ensure all installation steps were followed properly. Once you access Sheets, you'll be greeted with a list of existing sheets within the project, or perhaps a default sheet if it's your first time here. To create a new sheet, there are two straightforward options. You can use the Sheets menu located at the top left of the Sheets area and opt for the Create Sheet option. Alternatively, you can go to the More menu, represented as three dots, at the top right of the current sheet and select Create from there. Once your sheet is open or created, you have a range of customization options at your disposal. You can choose which columns to display, how you'd like them sorted, and any specific filters you want to apply. Additionally, you can define the scope by deciding which issues are included in the sheet. This can be done through JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language, or by using pre-existing filters. Finally, did you know you can use Sheets beyond the project context, or even globally? There's a special Sheets directory, also referred to as JXL Sheets, within the app's menu. This allows you to view and manage all the sheets you have access to across different projects, enhancing productivity. Now you're all set to utilize the powerful sheet view in Jira with JXL. Explore its capabilities and transform how you manage your Jira issues.